Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. Summer is here and with it comes the desire for refreshing and light meals. And if you are a busy homemaker, juggling work and home and finding time to prepare healthy, delicious summer recipes, I can assure you it can be challenging. In this video, I have compiled some of my best recipes that I have shared over the years. And to begin with, I start with tropical amaranth sorghum porridge. This is a refreshing porridge made from puffed amaranth, sorghum flakes or jowar flakes, coconut cream, jaggery, and milk. To top it off, we will add some deliciously fresh mangoes. You can serve this hot or you can serve this cold. Both ways it tastes delicious. Toast some coconut. This is optional, but it really adds a lot of flavor. Wherever you are, I'm sure you must be enjoying some great, delicious mangoes. I think the best bit about Indian summers is that you get to eat mangoes. I'll layer everything, starting with porridge, coconut cream, some fresh mangoes, desiccated coconut, and then repeat the same. And voila, this is all done. You can also add some nuts. I added just some rose petals. Next up we have Shea Jaggery Sattu. This cooling drink is made from sattu and shea seeds, jaggery and water. Soak shea seeds separately and mix sattu, jaggery and water. To this add the soaked shea seeds. And voila, your drink is ready. Including shea seeds every day in the food is very important for a healthy gut. We all know this, but often at times we just get so bored eating the same shea pudding. This is a very sweet, delicious twist for the traditional shea pudding. Instead of having just regular shea pudding, you can enjoy it in form of a drink. It is high protein and at the same time, sattu has an amazing cooling properties. If you're a fan of masala lemonade, try adding shea seed and jaggery to it. It is a very tasty and a healthy twist to the classic lemonade. I like to add some Himalayan salt, chaat masala, roasted cumin powder, and black salt to my masala lemonades. How do you prefer your masala lemonade? Do leave me in comment. A fun little twist could be you can add some basil instead of mint or rosemary also.
Even if you've never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight.
Instead of lemon, try sweet lime, that is Mausami ka juice, to make your lemonades, and that also is a very interesting twist for a great summer drink. Top it up with your favorite aromatic, basil, mint, and it tastes delicious. Moving on to another summer staple in the house, mango yogurt. And to make this, hang the yogurt and remove excess water. Then mix with some fresh mango puree and your preferred sweetener. I used monk fruit, but feel free to choose what you like. This is delicious, probiotic rich treat that is perfect for breakfast or just for snack or after dinner desserts.
Rest with me. the curtains, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me, take my hand and lead even when I disagree.
I had to include this because this is one way that I pay homage to my motherland, and this is such a delicious drink, very famous Bihari drink made from sattu, water, salt, spices, onions and aromatics. It is simple and staple in almost all Bihar and Jharkhand homes. Do give it a try. It is deliciously yum and very addictive.
And you will come back. Oh my God, it's you again. Once we were more than friends. Darling, how you been? I miss your smile.
I was never a fan of store-bought Shrikhand until I made by myself. This is such a simple, humble recipe made from homemade paneer, powdered sugar, kevra essence, and then to make it just a little extra fancy, just layer it with your fresh fruits of choice. You can include apples, pomegranate, mangoes, grapes, passion fruit, whatever your heart delights. Mostly the things that you would put usually in custards. I would not add banana, but other than that you can add rest of the crunchy fruits. It is such a delight to enjoy this, and this gets over right we make it each time. You can serve this chilled and garnish it with some fresh mint. If you're like me who loves chaat, then I'm sure you must be having tamarind dates chutney in your fridge. Do try this interesting twist with some chunks of fresh pineapple. Take that chutney, mix some pineapple and some spices and create your very own version of mint pineapple tamarind mocktail. If you've watched till here, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Do leave your valuable feedback in your comments. I would love to read them. Next up, we have another mango delicious combination using mango and strawberries. When I made this, strawberries were in the season and we were getting fresh in the market, but you can replace strawberries with some frozen strawberries or any berries of your choice. Add salt, jaggery spices, some fresh basil, and voila, you have a delicious drink again. If you enjoy oats, do give amaranth a try because it is far more nutritious, locally available, and it's very hearty. I'm using again some puffed amaranth and some makhana or foxnut to create a delicious porridge in milk. To sweeten it, I have used jaggery, but feel free to use your sweetener of choice. Top it up with some roasted foxnut seeds, nuts and fruits of your choice. Serve it hot or cold as per your liking. Serve it as a warm hearty breakfast or as a chilled delicious dessert after meals. So there you have it, 9 different recipes for this summer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.